Difficult to sand irregular wooden doors. Manual sanding is time-consuming and wasteful. Just use an irregular sanding machine and you're done. Specifically designed for sanding all kinds of carved, curved, and arched wooden doors. Flexible contour sanding fits perfectly to any irregular shape, polishing away all edges and burrs, leaving the surface smooth and even with a premium, unified finish. Machine standardized grinding ensures stability and zero errors, with efficiency far exceeding manual labor. Production capacity sourced directly. Quality remains consistent without any issues, saving time, effort, and costs. Top choice for wood door polishing equipment.